What if I told you that one of the most expensive leather jackets, luxury handbags, and premium wallets in the world begins its journey as a raw animal hide weighing hundreds of pounds? Sounds hard to believe. But every year, thousands of bison hides are transformed into some of the strongest and most luxurious leather products on the market. And here's what makes bison leather so special. Unlike ordinary leather, bison leather retains a unique natural grain pattern filled with wrinkles, scars, and textures created by the animal's life in the wild. No two hides look exactly the same. That's why luxury brands and premium leather manufacturers are willing to pay top dollar for it. But before a bison hide becomes a luxury jacket, handbag, belt, or wallet, it must pass through an incredible manufacturing process involving preservation, tanning, dyeing, finishing, quality control, and precision craftsmanship. So how does a raw bison hide become a luxury fashion product? Today, we're going inside a modern bison leather factory to follow the complete journey from raw hide to finished luxury leather. The process begins immediately after the hide is removed. At this stage, the material is highly vulnerable to bacterial growth and decomposition. If the hide is not preserved quickly, it can become damaged beyond repair. To prevent this, the fresh hides are thoroughly salted. Large quantities of salt are applied across the surface to draw out moisture and slow bacterial activity. Some facilities may also use refrigerated storage before transportation. Once preserved, the hides are shipped to specialized leather processing facilities known as tanneries, and this is where the real transformation begins. As the hides arrive at the tannery, each one undergoes inspection. Workers examine size, thickness, surface condition, and overall quality. Since bison are naturally exposed to harsh environments, many hides contain scars, scratches, insect marks, and other natural characteristics. Interestingly, many luxury leather buyers actually value these imperfections because they prove authenticity. After inspection, the hides move into soaking drums. At first glance, the process may seem strange. The hides that were previously dried and salted are now submerged in large volumes of water. The purpose is simple: rehydration. This step restores moisture and removes dirt, blood, salt, and other contaminants accumulated during preservation and transportation. The giant rotating drums slowly tumble the hides for hours until they become soft and workable again. Once rehydrated, the hides enter the liming process. Special chemical solutions help loosen hair, remove unwanted proteins, and prepare the hide for further treatment. During this stage, the hide's structure begins changing at a microscopic level. The process may take many hours depending on hide thickness and production requirements. After liming, large machines remove the loosened hair from the surface. The hides are then cleaned further before moving deeper into the tannery. At this point, the material still doesn't resemble leather. In fact, it looks more like thick, pale skin than a luxury fashion material. The next stage is one of the most important in the entire factory: tanning. Without tanning, the hide would eventually decay. Tanning permanently stabilizes the collagen fibers inside the material and converts the hide into leather. Modern tanneries use several different tanning methods, but many premium bison leathers are produced using chrome tanning or vegetable tanning systems. Inside giant rotating drums, tanning agents slowly penetrate the hide. The process can take many hours or even days depending on the desired characteristics. And this is where the material truly becomes leather. Once tanning is complete, the leather becomes stronger, more flexible, and resistant to decomposition. The transformation is remarkable. What began as a raw hide is now a durable industrial material capable of lasting for decades. After tanning, the leather is squeezed through specialized machines to remove excess moisture. The hides then move into splitting and shaving operations. Because every hide varies slightly in thickness, precision equipment trims the material to exact specifications. This stage is especially important for luxury fashion products, where consistency is critical. A leather jacket, handbag, or wallet manufacturer expects uniform thickness throughout the entire hide. Once thickness adjustments are complete, the leather enters dyeing operations. This is where color is introduced. Large drums filled with dyes rotate continuously while the leather absorbs pigments deep into its structure. Depending on customer requirements, the leather may become black, brown, tan, chestnut, burgundy, or a wide variety of custom colors. Unlike simple surface painting, professional dyeing penetrates the leather itself. This helps maintain color durability while preserving the natural grain pattern. After dyeing, the leather moves into drying systems. Some tanneries use vacuum dryers, others use controlled drying rooms. The goal is to remove moisture without damaging the material. Too much drying can make leather stiff. Too little drying can create quality problems later. Temperature, humidity, and airflow must be carefully controlled. Once dry, the hides enter finishing operations. And this is where luxury leather begins developing its final appearance. Specialized finishing systems may apply oils, waxes, conditioners, protective coatings, or polishing treatments. These processes improve durability, enhance color depth, and create the rich appearance associated with premium leather products. For certain luxury applications, workers may also perform hand finishing techniques that enhance the unique characteristics of each hide. Because bison leather is prized for its natural texture, manufacturers usually avoid overly aggressive surface corrections. Instead, they preserve the distinctive grain patterns that make each hide unique. After finishing, every hide undergoes detailed quality inspection. Workers carefully examine the leather under bright lighting conditions. They look for defects, discoloration, scratches, weak areas, and inconsistencies. The hides are graded according to quality standards. Higher grade sections may be reserved for luxury handbags, premium jackets, and high-end accessories. Lower grade sections may be used for belts, smaller accessories, or other leather goods. Once approved, the leather is cut and prepared for shipment. Some hides are sold directly to luxury fashion brands. Others are sent to leather goods manufacturers. And this is where the final stage begins. Craftsmanship. Inside leather workshops and luxury manufacturing facilities, skilled workers transform the finished leather into products people recognize. Large cutting machines slice patterns for jackets, handbags, wallets, boots, belts, and travel accessories. Each component is carefully arranged to maximize material usage while highlighting the most attractive grain patterns. The pieces are then stitched, assembled, reinforced, and finished using specialized equipment. Premium products often receive extensive hand finishing before completion. The result is a product that may sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and that's the part most people never see. Behind every luxury leather jacket or premium handbag lies a long journey involving preservation, soaking, liming, tanning, dyeing, drying, finishing, inspection, cutting, and skilled craftsmanship. What began as a raw bison hide has been transformed into a durable, beautiful material capable of lasting for decades. And because every bison hide carries its own natural markings and grain patterns, no two finished products are ever exactly the same. So the next time you see a luxury leather jacket, wallet, or handbag made from bison leather, remember the incredible manufacturing process hidden behind its surface. From raw hide to luxury fashion, it represents one of the most fascinating transformations in the manufacturing world. And that is how raw bison hide becomes luxury leather inside a modern factory. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing manufacturing and production stories. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.